So students, here we are to find out sum of n terms of an AP. Now let there be an AP whose first term is A, common difference is D and last term is L, and let there be total number of terms be n. So how do we write the AP? We write the first term first. So the AP will be A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then we can go to the third last term. So if the last term is let the last term be L, then the previous term will be D subtracted from L, the common difference, and the third last term will be 2D subtracted from L. So when we go from first to last, we add the common difference, and we come back from last to first, we subtract the common difference, isn't it? So this is the case. Now let the sum, how do we find the sum? We add all these things. So let the sum be Sn, sum of n terms be Sn. So what will be what we have to do? We have to just add this A plus D, this will be the second term, A plus 2D third term, and so on, and it will go till the last, that means L minus 2D plus L minus D plus L. So this is the case. I can write it, suppose I am adding this way, some child can go this way, so let me add this way. Let the sum will be the same if I reverse and write the AP only, I write this way. So I come with third term, if I am writing it reverse. Now this is the case, either sum will be from added this way or this way, but what I will do is, I will add up. So DD cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, here there will be A plus D, this is cancelled, and so on. So now what we are left with? Let us have a look. Let us have a look. There are totally n terms. So this is the first term, second term again A plus L is left, third term again A plus L is left, the last term also A plus L is left, second last term. So whatever be the number of terms, that many times A plus L is left. A is the first term and L is the last term. So I can write down. So if I am adding, 2Sn is equal to A plus L, A plus L, A plus L n times. N times, isn't it? So that means what happens? Sn will be equal to A plus L into, I can write n times, means n times addition means n into A plus L, isn't it? Divided by these two goes down. So first formula for AP is sum of n terms is equal to A plus L, n by 2 into A plus L. That is important here, children, that if you know the first term, if you know the last term, and if you know the number of terms, then you will be able to find out the sum of the terms. Alright, number one, this is there. Number two, what is L? L is the last term. So L is the last term, but the formula for last term, since there are n terms totally, I have assumed. So last term will be equal to, the nth term is what? Formula for nth term in the first chapter we studied A plus n minus 1 into D. So L is the nth term, the last term. So its formula will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So what I do, I place L, instead of L I place A plus n minus 1 into D. So what will happen? Sn is equal to n by 2 A, instead of L I write A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, so here there was L, I put instead of L A plus, so the formula quickly changed to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the main formula and this is the second formula. First formula, when you know the first term and the last term and you know the number of terms. So these two are the formulas. So that means AP deals with actually three formulas. The sum one, and you know, in the first chapter we have studied Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, isn't it? This is what we have studied in the first chapter. So AP rules with these three formulas. Remember this, that's very, very important. So once more, here you should suppose there is an AP given and you don't know the number of terms, but you know the last term, so you can use this formula to find out the number of terms, and then you can place any of these formulas to solve the problem. Thank you.